Well, hello. I'm not a doctor, but I watch quite a bit on TV. Today we're going to talk about Managed Care 101, the 4 basics of managed care. The number one thing is hard drive monitoring. You know, all your stuff on your computer is stored on your hard drive. Your pictures, your documents, your family photos, your finances, your address book. And if the hard drive ever crashes, you may lose all that data. And we have about 1 client a week with that situation. If you put on our program, we have 2 different programs which monitor the hard drive and look for potential errors happening in the future so you can have your best chance of protecting your data. The next one is CryptoLocker Threat Reduction. CryptoLocker is a nasty virus. It'll hold you ransom, just like some of these companies on the news, such as the hospital who had to pay money, or the county seat, the attorney general had to pay money. Those people had to pay quite a bit because they got the ransomware virus. We put a small program on your computer which does its best efforts to have a threat reduction of the CryptoLocker virus onto your computer. The next one's patch management. You know how aggravating it is with all those pop-ups telling you update something and you're not really sure if you should or not? Patch management will let us take care of that in the background. We'll take care of the Windows patches, which happen every Tuesday by the way, and some of the other ones for other programs on your computer. So even though the managed care program is designed and priced for the homeowner, it's got several features which are awesome for small businesses. One of the best is remote access through LogMeIn. Now LogMeIn lets you remotely go to your other computer. So you could be at the office and remote into your home computer, or at home and remote into your office computer. That normally is $150 per year per computer. With the managed care program, it's only additional $40 one-time fee. So you pay it once, you don't have to pay for it for the rest of the time you're on managed care, and you can have the same features as the $150 LogMeIn. Okay, so if you still don't understand, what you could do is you could send me an email at this email address right here, okay, and I could answer some of the questions with you via email, or you could pick up one of these, this is the telephone by the way, and you could call us at this number right here and let us know if we can help you anymore. Thanks, have a great day!